Hey guys, in this tutorial, I will show you how to hide the secret key in Django. You may wonder why it is important to hide it. To answer this question, let's see how it is used. This is Django's official documentary. They say that the secret key is used for all sessions if you are using any other session backend than this or are using the default get session auth hash. All messages if you are using cookie storage or fallback storage. All password reset view tokens, any usage of cryptographic signing unless a different key is provided. Now you may ask, but why it is important to hide it in an environment variable? The answer is, if you are working in a team, the secret key will be exposed and can be misused. To avoid this, we create a separate file with name .env and store all sensitive information like secret key and password inside it. We don't push .env file on the source control, for example GitHub, so no one has access to it. Now let's go and hide the secret key from settings.py. This tutorial is part of Django project series. If you don't know how to create a virtual environment or how to create a project, you can refer the playlist. The link is in the description. So let's start. First, install python-env using the command pip install python-env. Now, in the settings.py, add the following imports. From .env import load_.env and import OS. Call function load_.env. It will load all key value pairs from .env file in the environment. It will search for .env file in the same directory as that of the settings.py or in its parent directories. Now let's create a .env file. From settings.py, copy secret key inside this file. Save it. Now in settings.py, replace the secret key with os.getenv secret key. Save the file. So now let's see if everything is working using command python manage.py check. It says system check identify no issues. So the secret key is hidden. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to drop like, share and comment on this video. Also subscribe to our channel for more such content. Thank you.